Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about printing out drafts from Scrivener 3 for Windows, with or without using Compile. In the File menu, you'll see an item called Print Current Document. This can be a quick way to print out a chapter without going through the hassle of Compile. Click onto the folder in the binder and then make sure you've clicked within the text. If you don't, the feature isn't available. And then select Print Preview. You'll see that the screen shows all the documents included at the top, and you have various formatting elements. Once you're set up, you can use the print icon to print. Alternatively, you can go straight to Print with Print Current Document. If you want to print a proof copy of the whole of your file, go into Compile. Under the Microsoft Word formats, you'll see there is a proof copy format, which gives you extra line spacing for proofreading. Of course, you can customize this to your requirements if that's not what you want. So whatever kind of draft you want to print, you can do so pretty quickly. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.